If you have a Trackener Life heart rate kit, you can see the heart rate readings with the symbol in the middle of the horse's life wheel. You could then have the option to select a time, for example your exercise session, or you can have a look at the full day as a complete overview. Once you've clicked on this button, it will take you to a page where there are two graphs. The top one will display the heart rate in beats per minute, and the bottom one the speed, so that you can compare if the horse was trotting, cantering around at the time of an elevated heart rate. If you use a desktop PC or a laptop, you can see each individual reading of each red dot in more detail. However, we cannot guarantee the quality of heart rate readings. This is because each horse's coat type and breed creates variance. There are, however, a number of things you can do to improve the heart rate readings, including keeping the heart rate sensor on the left-hand side and move it closer to the pouch on the belly. The strap itself should be fairly tight or not baggy, but not so tight that it causes the horse discomfort. You should also ensure that the electrodes touch the skin and are clear of the bib. Without a good contact, the heart rate readings will not record. The last thing you can try is to add water to the electrodes if you don't get any readings. Again, this improves the contact. If you have any problems with your heart rate readings or it's not recording, please do get in touch.